guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to show you my motorized bike, yeah, and tell you a few things I have noticed, and maybe to help someone out there. And so I'm currently using an 80cc engine that I got from China, and all that you see on the bike with regard to the engine are all stock parts. I haven't actually done any upgrades yet, and I just completed my braking period, and but I noticed right after the braking period, my spark plug seems to have been dying, or it's almost dead. So I have difficulty in starting it up, and unfortunately I could not get any of such plugs around here, and so I had to import that one too from Alibaba, which is on the way coming, and very soon I will do the changes. And then well, everybody kind of create their own version, since it's a DIY project. Everybody does their own, so I just want to tell you what I've done so far myself. What you're seeing here, I got myself some bicycle computer, which is which tells me about the speed and distance and all the things I need to know about my bike actually. Then I got this switch system for headlights, and then also the headlights, yeah. Then the horn, and I actually haven't seen any motorized bike owner having such features on their bike. They do, though. Some of them I've watched on YouTube do have some of these features, but some of them are a bit complicated, but this is simple. You can get some of these parts from Alibaba. It's at a very affordable price. And then for my own safety, I got myself a driving mirror, and then I had that the previous gear shifter that I had on the bike, I couldn't use it anymore after fixing the engine kit because of the throttle acceleration. And then I was left with no other choice than to get this very one that I'm using now. The bike is 21 speed, but I only need to use the 7-speed side. I don't need the front derailleur for anything much. I can manually adjust that myself, so I only need to change the rear derailleur for more speed if I need to. So I got this. It didn't come cheap though, but it works and it's worth it. And as you can see, most of the parts on the bike, with regards to the lighting system, are for electric bikes. But then I'm doing some alterations and I'm fixing it on my motorized bike, because you can't get the parts for motorized bikes, but in some countries you need to make your bike street legal in order for you to ride it on the street. And in Ghana here we say roadworthy, but then really it doesn't really matter here. You can just fix your engine and use it. But for my own safety, I had to get these parts. And so this is actually the rear or the tail light uses it works well within voltage from between 36 to 40. Yeah, I think 48 or so. Yeah. So, but I'm forcing to use 18 volts power. I mean voltage. Yeah, power on it. And since I don't have a battery box, I decided to get some. This is my battery box, and then I fixed some 9 volts, couple of 9-volt batteries connected in series to give me the 18 volts that I need to power the lighting system. And I actually ordered some batteries that can help me, rechargeable ones. Then I'll get the magneto generator that helps charge, that generates like 12 volts in order for me to be able to charge my battery as the engine runs. But then those parts are not yet in, so if the batteries die, I need to manually remove them and then fix new ones back, which is kind of tedious anyway. But it's okay for now, and I'm managing it like that for now. So this is all I want you to see. I'm sure it'll help someone out there. I don't want this video to be very long. So one problem I'm currently running into after the breaking period, as I said earlier on from the beginning of the video, is the spark plug. And then I had to troubleshoot. At first I didn't know it was a spark plug, so I had to troubleshoot the ignition system. So I had to this shouldn't be like this. I had to zip tie it so that it's safe from the exhaust, so it doesn't burn it. But because of the troubleshooting process, I took off the zip tie that I used to tie it, and it was after a while. My carburetor is also okay, but then it gave me some trouble. I could realize that it kind of leaks when it vibrates a lot. The force sometimes comes out through the air filter. And so I'm planning to, though it's a great carburetor, but then I'm planning to get a better one, something that will help me and won't behave as this one is doing. So far I would say I'm really enjoying the bike, and it's great. I seem to have been the only one using it here in Ghana, not in Ghana per se, but in my locality. I stay in Kofredia. This Kofredia, it seems to be the only one in town. Maybe other parts of the country, there may be other people using some, though I haven't seen one before. But well, that's it. So hey guys, these are some of the few things that I wish to share with you. I hope it helps someone out there. There'll be more videos, and I'll share some of my ideas with you as we move on. So take care of yourself, and see you in my next video. And before I go, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do your best to do so, because there'll be more stuff coming. Alright, stay safe out there, and see you next time. Bye bye.